With just a few potatoes and a carrot, we will make this delicious and amazing recipe. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 3 potatoes into small pieces, this way. This recipe is simply amazing. I'm sure the result will surprise you. Now I will put the potatoes in a pan and I will add water to cover. Then I will cook for 20 minutes. After the time, I will transfer to a container, and with the help of an utensil I will knead until a puree. Next I will add a grated carrot and a little parsley to taste. The amount is optional. Now I will stir with the help of a spatula so that all the ingredients are mixed. I will season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of fried garlic and a tablespoon of olive oil. Then I will mix everything very well so that all the seasonings add to the dough. Finally, I will add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and half a cup of cornstarch. Now I will mix one last time with the help of a spatula. If you prefer, you can use your hands to mix and facilitate the process. Once this is done, I will take small portions of the dough and I will roll this way. Then I will add some oil in a pan, enough to fry the recipe. Then I will add the portions of the recipe that I rolled previously in the pan when the oil is already hot. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe with potato. I would love to know. When it is already at this point, I will turn our recipe to fry both sides equally. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Debbie Brown from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. When it is already fried the other side, I will remove from the pan and put on a plate with paper towel to rest and remove excess oil. This recipe is simply amazing. Make in your home and then come back here to tell me what you think. Done. This is ready, our recipe. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. Has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried. Now I do not stop doing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.